Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the ignition cylinder on a 1999 Dodge Grand Caravan. First thing you're going to want to do is get underneath of the steering column. There's 3 Phillips screw heads under here, and then this plastic piece just pops right out. Then you're going to take the key, if you have it, and if you're lucky enough for it to turn. If it doesn't turn, you're going to take some WD-40, spray it in there, stick the key in there, and this is what I had to do yesterday to get it to turn. Just bang on it with the screwdriver and turn it at the same time. Back underneath of the steering column, and there is a little pin here, and you're going to push it in with the head of the screwdriver, and then it'll just come right out. You turn it till it goes in, and you know you're in the same position that it was when you pulled it out. Slide it back in, and that's it. Put those Phillips screws back in there, and the job is done. Thanks for watching.